angels, welcome back to my channel, and hello and welcome if you're new and joining me for the first time. My name's Tara and I do makeup tutorials and things like that here on my channel. So guys, I have been tagged to do the Makeup Lovers tag challenge, and I've been tagged by my good friend Shelly Slaczka to do this video. So guys, grab a cup of tea, grab a cup of coffee, and let's just jump straight into the video. So question number one is, how do you prepare for your videos and how many times a week or month do you film? So preparing my videos, I basically have to get out my folding out table, set up the backdrop, set up the ring light and my camera, and I'm good to go. Filming wise, I'd say I post a video once a week. I did do 2 videos a week, but it got too much because of my job. I'm a full-time care assistant in a care home, but I'm trying to get 2 videos a week again. So a month, I'd say I probably film about 4 or 5 videos a month and try and get 1 out a week at the moment. So number 2, how long does it take you to record and edit a video? Say for instance, this video will probably take me 15 to 20 minutes to film, and then to edit probably an hour because I'm quite nitpicky with editing. So in all, it probably take me about an hour and a half for this video. If I was doing a 4B makeup look kind of thing, or one of my collaboration videos, I normally film for about 2 hours, and I could probably be editing for about 2.5 hours, so probably 4.5 hours for them kind of videos. Number 3, what is your favourite drugstore and high-end brands? My favourite drugstore brand is Revolution. I'm a massive fan of Revolution. I have been since I was quite young. They were my first makeup brand that I ever ventured into, and I absolutely love them so much. High-end, I would say Too Faced. I absolutely love their brand. Be Perfect, I absolutely love their brand as well. So yeah, probably Too Faced and Be Perfect. Number 4, what is your most expensive beauty product? This is my most expensive beauty product. It's the Perricone MD Growth Factor Firming and Lifting Serum. Now, I was gifted that product from Influencer, but it's the highest, you know, expensive product in my collection. But one that I've bought myself are probably my eyeshadow palettes. The Be Perfect one is £42, and I've got a couple of Too Faced ones that are about £42 as well. So yeah, my eyeshadow palettes. Number 5, what motivates you to create content? I'm in a collaboration group, so I get quite a lot of motivation from the girls off there when we're all talking about what videos we're going to be bringing out, and then that gets my creativity flowing. Pinterest, I get quite a lot of ideas off Pinterest as well, and Instagram and YouTube. So yeah, I look quite a lot over the forums and just try and get a bit of inspiration off there. That kind of motivates me and gets my creativity flowing, as you would say. So yeah, basically that's it in a nutshell. Number 6, what's your favourite app to edit pictures on? I've always used PicMonkey. I absolutely love PicMonkey for editing, but I have been introduced to another app called PicsArt. I absolutely love it. I've only just started using it, but I think I will continue to use it. I'm using the free version at the moment because I tend to do that. Then if I like the app and I know how to use it, then I will purchase it and have the full version. So I think maybe at the end of this month, I've decided that I will go for the PicsArt instead of PicMonkey, because it's more better, I think. Anyway, that's how I feel. So yeah, PicsArt. Number 7 is, what is your goal for this year regarding your YouTube channel? I'm really hoping to hit 1,000 subscribers and to get monetized, hopefully, at the end of this year. So that would be an absolute dream of mine, to get monetized and start really boosting this channel. I can't believe that I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, so thank you so much. It means the absolute world to me. I didn't think one person would watch my video, let alone nearly 900 and something people. So thank you so much. It means the absolute world to me. Number 8, what influencers do you watch and follow for inspiration? James Charles, of course. I absolutely love James Charles. Stacey Marie, her Instagram page is absolute pure fire. I absolutely love her page. And in this country, in the UK, I watch Emma Fleming, who is an Irish YouTuber. She is absolutely amazing. I love Imogen from Imagination. She is absolutely the most beautifulest and most pure-hearted person. I mean, I've never met her in person, but she is just so sweet that I really love her channel. Obviously, I've got to say Jeffree Star. He is the coolest of the coolest. I absolutely love Jeffree Star, and some of the things are a bit controversial what he comes out with, like his latest palette, but he is an icon and I love him. So yeah, they're the influencers that give me a bit of inspiration to watch. Number 9 is, besides makeup, what else are you passionate about? So I'm passionate about skincare. I absolutely love skincare. I've been buying quite a lot of skincare, to be honest, trying to keep my skin looking as young and youthful for as long as possible. So yeah, I'd say my next passion apart from makeup is skincare. I absolutely love it. Number 10 is, what is one makeup trend you dislike? So Sarah has already talked about baking. I can't stand baking either. I think it's, my under eyes just get so crusty and dusty if I bake. I do bake sometimes, but on the daily basis, it's not a look. And Shelly has already talked about heavy contour. I can't contour to save my life, but I absolutely hate it, especially when it looks all muddy and you've got lines down. It's not a look. So my trend that I don't like is the under eye white. When it's been highlighted to the max and it looks pure bone white, I don't like that look at all. And the big block brows, don't like that either. They're my trends that I really don't like. Number 11, if you had the opportunity to collaborate with one brand, which would it be and what would you create? I would absolutely love to collaborate with Revolution and bring out a bomb-ass eyeshadow palette. It's gonna be brighter than bright, and it's gonna have a row of glitter, of course it is, and it's just gonna be so on point and brighter than anything. I want all the colours of the rainbow. So yeah, I would absolutely love it. I'm gonna put it out there into the universe because I believe in all that. I believe in law of attraction, and yeah, I'm just gonna put it out there in the atmosphere, up to wherever it wants to go. And I'd absolutely love and dream to do a collaboration with Revolution because they're my favourite brand of all time. Number 12 is, who or what inspired you to start your YouTube channel? Myself. You know, I sat watching YouTube and I really wanted to do it, but I kept putting it back because I'm not a 20-something young girl. I'm in my late 30s, let's say. And yeah, I just thought, you know, the heck with it. Turn the camera on, and here I am. And I've never been happier. I absolutely love doing YouTube. It's my little sanctuary, basically. And I didn't think one person would watch me, let alone you guys who are all watching me. It means the absolute world. So yeah, it was myself. I decided that, you know what, life's too short. Pick up the camera. People are either going to watch you or they're not. And you guys chose to, and I couldn't be happier. So yeah, myself basically. Number 13, what beauty products do you use on a daily basis? Everything, to be honest. I use foundation, powder, bronzer, blusher, highlight. eyeshadow palettes, lashes, lipstick. I use it all. I do have days where joggers, hair scraped up, no makeup, then it's full beat, hair done, all dressed up. There is just no in between. So I'm gonna say everything on kind of a daily basis, but sometimes do have a day off where I don't wear nothing. Number 14, if you could only use 3 beauty products for the rest of your life, what would they be? A good moisturiser, mascara, and maybe a lip tint so that I could tint my lips and my cheeks, give them a little bit of colour. But yeah, maybe that's about it. That's awful. Number 15 is to tag 3 friends to do this challenge. So I'm going to tag Faye J to do this challenge. I'm going to tag Candice Hampton also to do this challenge. And I'm going to tag Lisa, the Curvy Cuban. So girls, I can't wait to see your take on this Makeup Lovers challenge. And until next time guys, stay beautiful and stay safe, and I love you always. Bye guys.